Excel keyboard shortcuts can greatly speed up your workflow. Shortcuts cover a wide range of tasks in Excel. Practicing these regularly will help you become more proficient with Excel. Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel Enhance Your Skill. My name is Vikram and I am your online tutor. Today we will learn some useful shortcut based on different categories. Let's start. So today we are going to learn a top 8 data entry and editing shortcuts in Excel. So starting with number 1 is editing the active cell. So in order to active your current cell, you need to press the shortcut key F2, which is function 2. Okay. If you see, after clicking F2 function, I have an option to edit this. Like I can change this to 2024, 2025, 2026, or maybe 2025, 2026. Okay. So that is the first shortcut key, which is function F2. Now moving on to the next one, second number. The second number is clearing the content of the selected cells. Now if you want to clear any of your cells, like I want to clear this cell number A3, or maybe let me select B3. I want to clear the content of this selected cells. So what I will do, I will just simply press delete button. Okay. So now you can see that the content has been cleared. Okay. So that is number 2. Now next move on to the number 3 shortcut key, which is fill down from the cell above. It means you want to copy the data which is in your above cell. So like there is 2025 written in the cell A6 and I want to copy it here. Instead of Control C and Control V, I just press Control D. Okay. If you see, the data reappears here. Same for the C6 cell. If I want to copy this figure here, I will press Control D. That is number 3. Now let's move on to the number 4 shortcut key, which is fill right from the cell on the left. Let's move little bit right. Okay. So I have this column H blank here. Okay. I want the data here which is similar to G. So like we used to, like for filling down we use Control D, and now here we need to press Control R to copy the left data into the right column. So I will press Control R. If you see, the same data copies in the column H. Same is in the case of H4 cell. I will press Control R. The data will be copied here. So this is number 4. Now let's move on to number 5th shortcut key, which is insert a new line in the same cell. Let's move on to the left side of the worksheet. So this is cell number A4. Okay. In the first example, we see how to edit the active cell. First of all, we have to click function F2. Okay. After then, I want to enter another year, but not in the same line, but in the next line in the same cell. So what I have to press? I have to press Alt Enter. If you see, the cell has been entered to the next level. So now I will write here 2024. See, did you see the magic? That the new line has been inserted in the same cell by pressing Alt Enter. So this is our example number 5. Now let's move on to the number 6 example, which is undo your last action, which means if you have done anything wrong or any mistake and you want to remove it, you want to undo that action, then you have to press Control Z. Like I have pressed this Alt Enter and created another line in the cell number 4, but now I want to remove it, I want to undo it. So what I will do is I will press Control Z. See, the old data came back. So that is example number 6. Now if I want to redo the same action again, then the another shortcut key which implies here is Control Y. Now if I press Control Y, the redo will happen and the same cell same new line item appears again. Let me give you another example, like let me delete this B4. Okay, so I have mistakenly deleted this. Okay, now I want to get it back. So what I will do is I will do undo, which is Control Z. But now I want to correct my last action. So what I have to press? I have to press Control 5 for redo my last action. So I will press Control Y. So this cell again got deleted. So that was the example number 7. So last, number 8. So this is very easy shortcut key, which is in how to insert your current date in the Excel. So what you have to press is you have to press Control semicolon, and this will create. So what this will do is this will insert the current date in the cell. Okay, I hope you like these top 8 data entries and editing shortcuts. So that's it in this video. Do provide us your feedback if you like this. Let's meet you in our next video with some new shortcut and tips. Till then, enhance your skills by keep learning. Bye bye.